Hello. So today we're going to talk about sharing value. And sharing value is so important in our business because obviously you cannot expect people to buy your products, to join your team if you do not bring anything to the table. People are going to follow you. People are going to watch you only because selfishly they want to get something out of it. So think about why you're following people on social media. The most part, maybe somebody posts amazing recipes and you like to learn from them. Maybe somebody posts some tips and tricks on DIY things. Maybe somebody posts amazing decor pictures and you just want to genuinely learn from them. Or maybe somebody shares, a fashionista shares the style tips, how to style clothes together and how to do makeup or things like that. So you are following them unconsciously. You're following them because you want to learn things from them, because you want to get inspired from them. So now that you're a business owner, you have to do that too, to inspire and to add value to people. And we have so many avenues now to do that. We have skincare, we have hair care, and we have wellness products. So all these three different things that you could be sharing about on the daily basis, mixed with all the things that make you, you. If you love fashion, share about that. If you love makeup, share about that. If you're a mom, share about that. If you're a dog mom or a cat mom, share about that. If you are, I don't know, in a relationship, share about that. So all the things that make you, you. But you also have to know how to teach people, whether it's about the products, whether it's about the business, the opportunity, and how do we do that? I know when you get started, like let's say for myself, I'm not a hairstylist. And when I got started, we only had hair care products. And I remember telling Danny, I can never do this business. I have no clue. Like, I don't even know how to curl my hair properly. So what do? You learn. You learn and then you teach. So there's an amazing thing that's called Google right now. Nowadays, we don't even have to go to the library and find a book and, waste all this time. Right now, it's just like a matter of Googling things. So let's say right now we are transitioning from fall to winter, for example. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but just an example. You can always Google, okay, skincare tips transitioning from fall to winter, or hair care tips transitioning from fall to winter. Find a few different resources, pick the best ones that resonate with you, and go and teach them. Go do a live video or make a post on your social media and educate people. Chances are people are maybe struggling with those things too, right? Maybe you go and learn how to wash your face properly or how to exfoliate your face properly and give them the 3 tips on how to exfoliate your face properly. People are going to save that. People are going to be coming back to that. And once they feel like, okay, she knows what she's talking about, even though you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to be a PhD in hair science to run this business. You can be literally anybody. I used to be a teacher, not a hairstylist at all, but I learned all the hair care things through Googling, through watching Danny, through watching other hairstylists doing it, through, watching other girls in this business and learning from each other. So do not feel like you have to be an expert. You have to know absolutely everything to teach somebody. No, Google, learn something, make it your own, and teach it to other people. That's how easy it is.
Yeah, I mean, do I even have anything to add on to that? Because that's exactly what to do. Is like, if you don't know what to do, you got to watch people and what they're doing, like other market partners and what they're doing in their business, whether it's on our team or it's somebody else's team. Find some people to follow that you resonate with, that you think you could, I don't want to say copy their work, but that you could personalize it and make it your own. Something else I've really found helpful is you are marketing your products. You're marketing yourself, your products, and your opportunity. So looking at magazines and seeing how magazines are attracting people to the magazine. Like, what makes you want to pick up a magazine? It's usually that front cover photo, and it's got some different words to say and different things that are on the front that are going to attract you to that. So doing different things like sharing valuable tips and information on certain products. Maybe you can do a product of the week feature, you know, and feature different products every single day or every single week that you're talking about. So I like, take it back. You don't have to know everything all at once. You can focus on one thing at a time. And I feel like in the beginning, that's one of the most important things to know is you don't have to know everything. Just start somewhere.